because it's not going to take much. But that's kind of at the end of the canyon.
And there's this different technique to waterfall.
Yeah. There's a class in the Pacific Northwest that I'm probably gonna go take next year
Oh, really?
for Class C. Actually, Pacific.
We're going to the Benson Creek. This is the creek flowing right here.
Yeah. So there's a class that is literally for desert canyoneers. It's desert waterfall.
And not somebody in Las Vegas that does that?
No, that's so like when we go to Death Valley, a completely different set of circumstances, different challenge. But then you have to do
I'm sorry? Oh, the first one? Nice.
And there should be on the right side, there should be a ammo box.
What is that ammo box?
Oh, a register to sign your name.
Oh, you can drop a envelope there and somebody will come pick it up?
No.
Oh.
I mean, yeah, somebody will replace the register by the school.
Ah.
Or at least there used to be one. Oh. I guess it's not here. I was looking for the ammo box. There used to be one. What? Ammo box was here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here last year. Well, before. So this is our first. So that's the first. Okay, let me go inside.
So this.
And that's the first hotel over there.
Yeah.
Do that too.
Oh. Julie, we're going to get dressed here?
Yeah. Okay. Because the anchor's right over there.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, I don't even think we're going to need water. Because this is the waterfall one, right? Or is that? No.